Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset Windows 11 without losing your apps, games, or personal files. This is perfect if your PC is running slow, crashing often, or having random bugs, but you don't want to start from scratch or reinstall everything manually. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can safely refresh your system and fix most common Windows issues without losing your data. So first, on your Windows 11 computer, go to Settings, then click on System, and after that, select Recovery. Once you're there, find the option that says Fix Problems using Windows Update and click on Reinstall Now. This is a new kind of repair option in Windows 11 that reinstalls the system using fresh files from Microsoft while keeping all your apps and games intact. Next, a notice will pop up explaining what this reset will do. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet and plugged into a power source. Then click OK to confirm and start the process. The system will begin downloading and installing everything it needs. When prompted, you can either click Restart Now or let it automatically reboot after 15 minutes. When your PC restarts, Windows will apply the updates and finish the repair. After the process is complete, sign back into your account. You should now notice smoother performance, fewer errors, and your apps, games, and files still in place. If, however, the problem you are facing isn't fixed, you might need to perform a regular reset. To do that, go back to Settings, System, Recovery, and click on Reset PC next to Reset this PC. Choose the option to keep my files and follow the on-screen steps. This will reinstall Windows completely, remove your apps and settings, but still keep your personal files safe. And that's it. Your PC should now feel like new. This method is one of the easiest and safest ways to fix most Windows problems without having to reinstall everything from scratch. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tech tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.